15 days after my wedding, I was laid off. While I've spoken about it, I have never shared how that news was broken to me. So let me tell you what happened on that day. May 2nd is when I got married. I experienced the biggest high of my life. May 13th is when I came back to the US. I got a little sick because of the travel. So on May 17th, Wednesday morning, I said I'm going to work from home. I get a message from my director that he needs to meet me immediately. I told my husband, Shubham, ये मुझे lay off करने वाला है. He said, don't think like that. Just go for the call and see what's happening. So I went out to the call, and in the second line itself, he said that you're impacted by workplace reductions. In that time, my mind was racing. I had so many questions. I just couldn't think of anything. His camera was on. I switched off my camera, and all I could ask was, how much time do I have? And is it because of performance? Because I had 4 out of 5 in the last rating. And then he said, no, this is not performance based. This is headcount based. And he really tried to console me and make sure that I'm doing okay. I was actually cracking up. So he told me to take the rest of the day off, and he even sent me resources after the call to ensure that I'm doing fine. After I left the call, Shubham was like, don't worry, he still has a job. So one of us has a job. We'll figure things off. He was like, he'll get a better job. He'll give me the sign-on bonus, and don't worry. He was really trying to be there for me. But within 30 minutes, he gets a message from his manager. We both knew what it was. He told his manager that he would like to attend the call online because his wife is going through something, and in a way a lot of people were getting laid off in the company. We were getting the news, so we knew what's happening. But his manager was like, no, you gotta come over here. I need to deliver this news to you in person. And when Shubham went over there, his manager just kind of put the brochure in front of him and told him that you are laid off. And it was such a cold-hearted delivery. Like, it was so sudden and so confusing, and it really bogged Shubham down. That day, it made me realize something. The same painful news. One manager broke the news but did not break the self-confidence or the self-worth on the other person. The other manager deliberately broke the news in a way that breaks the self-worth of the other person and makes him question himself. And by the way, all the other interviews I gave, I carried that strong sense of self with me, and with him it was a different experience. So to all managers, when you are breaking a tough news to someone, please remember that you might be shaping how someone remembers the toughest day of their life. So the least you could do is do it with kindness.